So in this Crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Bitcoin with Dogecoin here on at Crypto.com. So once Crypto.com's opened up, I want you to go to the home page here, either select Bitcoin on the main screen or just go to the top left, press on buy, go to the search button and type in Bitcoin. So once Bitcoin is selected here, I want you to go ahead if you're on the buy Bitcoin screen. For me, cash is selected, so this would be like Apple Pay, credit card, etc. If I want to use Dogecoin, I'll simply just go ahead and press on crypto right here. Then on the crypto screen, just scroll down to where it says Dogecoin, press on that, and you can actually see how much Dogecoin you may have in your account. So for me, I have 0, but if you had Dogecoin in your account, you can go to the top to see how much Bitcoin is equivalent to how much Dogecoin. And if you want to make a transaction for whatever amount, go to the bottom. For me, it says insufficient balance, but this would go ahead and say buy. Then you can proceed with the transaction this way. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to buy Bitcoin with Dogecoin here on at Crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.